time.
Okay, you skip the classes so that you have some time. Am I right?
Hmm.
But still, you don't have a time.
There is little load of company's work, so whole time is going there in day.
Okay, no
Hmm.
worries.
My screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So, sir, I created that student form. I have that student form also, and also I have that complaint form. So, where we execute this validation.
So basically, first we need to let me cover the theory part, then you can go
Hmm.
with the practical. Okay.
Okay.
So let's say think of you have this restaurant, am I right, guys? And where you have the prices, things there. Hey, this you can say thali have a this price and this have a this price. Am I right?
Hmm.
So based on the thing, you will get the you can say client will get the you can say required thing. Am I right? Think of if let's say you mention 100 rupees for you can say breakfast. Am I right? They will pay you only 80 rupees. Am I right? Then you need to you can say fix this problem. Am I right? And apart from that, they ordered something and then he denied the thing. Am I right? So same thing with our data. If means we want, we will able to analyze our data in a better manner for our future things. And you can say this get up means better reporting and things. We need to apply a validation. Am I right? That's why in our programming as well, programming language as well, we have a data types, statically data types. Am I right? The purpose of data types, hey, this field can contain only data related to uh, string values. Am I right? And sometime we need to, you can say, use two things. One thing for display purpose and another thing for our internally coding purpose. Because means whatever in a normal life we will write the things, but in a programming language we not follow that approach. We have different rules and like naming conventions are there. Based on that, we will declare the name of the property and you can say give a variable different variable name. So but in a real day-to-day life we will use with a proper manner. That's a complaint priority. Am I right? There you will give a complaint space and priority in a normal life, but in a you can say programming terms, we can use with underscore. So we can combine both the you can say words there in a single word. So based on that, we have these kind of stuff with us. With the help of that, we can serve better to the client and tell them, hey, this is the property which you are doing wrong, rather than displaying. With the help, we have a display. You can say annotation with us. With the help of that, we can control the display, massive display properties, how it will display to the user. And required, we already discussed. What is the purpose? Means to mention that this value is required, and the range is also there. And apart from that, we have a, you can say string to deal with the string data, we have that string length is also there. With the help of that, we can means tell them, hey, maximum length of these is this, so that it can means not corrupt our data. It will save to our type and regular expression is also there. Some means on your some website you observe they will means check these regex regex means, hey, this password contain special character, numeric value, alphanumeric value, some capital letter. So those things to during this validation, we have a regex, you can say this regular expression things available with us. With the help of that, we can control this validation. And validation is, you can say, required on a front end and back end side both. Why it's required? Because we want means, let's say you will apply this validation on a UI side, but there is no validation on a this backend side. So, but what is the purpose of API? Purpose of API is application programming interface, so that you can use same API or application means programming interface on your mobile application, your web application, desktop application, or iOS application. Am I right? So if there is no validation and you are just relying on a front end validation and keeping this, then mean someone can breach or this violate the data or corrupt the data. Okay. So for that, it's require both hand. You understand my point, guys?
Yes.
Anything else? If I missed something, Madhuri, please correct me in a theory part. Okay, go ahead. Madhuri, you can change this branch to main branch.
This.
Yes, main. First one.
Okay.
This validation practice file is there.
I have already have this one, right?
Yes.
So, sir, in my project, there is a so we are going to practical in student form or a complaint form, because
As
last
you wish. As you wish.
yesterday we created
Totally up
that
to you.
student model, and we have that field name, email, course, age, and image path with us. So here we use the basic data annotation validation. Like for the name, we require we use the required. This is our validation.
Yes, yes, you can add more like display, whatever we
Okay.
discussed, add more, or feel free to add more properties there. But do the thing step by step.
Okay. Okay.
We are with you, Madhuri. No worries.
So here we have that required field which we already have in our project, and I need to add this one, string length and display
Yes.
name. So I can add sequence. Is the sequence matters or what? So I can use the required below. Is this
Yes, it will respect all these three.
okay? Okay. The sequence doesn't matter.
No.
So for the name, we use this string length display name and the student name.
I will say rather than copy pasting, just type there by your
Okay.
own.
Okay.
Because you already have one
Hmm.
reference there, just
Hmm.
modify that reference
Okay.
and type, because it will help you to practice
Hmm.
the thing as well. Am I
Mhm.
right?
Right. Right. So this is for the name, and for the email, we use this required and email address. So in addition, we can use the regex pattern. We can use, right, sir, for the email.
Yes, regex, because when you mention this email address,
Hmm.
so there is no need to go for extra regex. Am I right?
Okay.
Because that time regex, because its email address is doing the same thing.
Okay.
Regex
Email
is
only.
required for your custom thing, where you require custom validation,
Okay. So
like
the
passwords.
email address is doing the same thing with like the regex
Yes,
for
for email
oh,
format
for
only.
email only.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Mhm.
You can do one thing, just run and try this. Whatever you implemented, just check that it's working there or not. Am I right?
Okay.
And
Okay.
do step by step.
Okay. So, mm, okay. We student name. We get that student name over here.
Just press submit. Press submit and check what as you will get. Name is required. So first required is working. Am I right?
Yes.
And okay, required you tested. And apart from that, you have a student name is required.
Just give
And
me.
let's say increase the length. You can say more than 100. Okay. Type something. No, type something here more than 100. Okay.
Okay. More than 100.
Yes. 100 character. And then submit. So I think so it's less than 100 or 100, yes. Or just make it 10. Make it 10.
Okay. Just a minute, sir. Sorry, guys. Wait. Sorry, guys.
No worries, totally okay. Just change it to 10 or 5. Okay. And
10.
yes, 10. Save this. Run again.
Student create. So, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is not
Or,
giving me access to type more than 10.
okay. In these restrictions. We are good with the maximum length, right? Or this length. Okay, and okay, and we're good with the required. We will good with this, and but display name is missing there. Okay, so just remove that required one.
This one.
Yes. Say rerun your this. Now submit.
Okay.
You're able to see student name field is required now. This is the purpose of this display.
But we remove the required field, no?
No, but right now it required you not enter anything, and your second validation is applied. Am I right?
Okay.
String length one. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And right now there is no error. This is means then you are able to means user is able to see what is the problem there. Am I right? So that's why I issued this submit name for display. Not use this name. Please remove this display one and run your application again. Save this and rerun.
I need to stop, right?
Yes, you need to stop and Ajay, are you able to understand?
Yes.
Now I need to click on a submit button.
Yes. Now you understand, Madhuri? What is the purpose of display? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Now fill this information and try with your this email address, so that you can check that how email one is working. Enter something there.
May I keep this blank email?
Yes, why not? If you just enter something wrong value.
Okay, wrong value. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Submit.
Okay, submit. Please include an @ in the email address. Okay.
Enter at the rate only. Okay, and press submit again.
Dot. That is another part of the following. Dot.
Yes. So as I told you, means when you mention this email address, there is no need for Ajax.
Okay. Now I put like @ gmail.com. It will take.
Fantastic. Submit. Okay, Madhuri. Now you need to similar way, and for the string length we have a minimum length and maximum length, minimum length property as well. After comma you can do that. You can try with the other options as well. Okay. In this string length, after 10 dot comma, you can apply a min m.
Minimum length.
Yes. let's say 2. Minimum length you are expecting 2. Am I right? If you enter 1, it will not, it will give error because it's required minimum 2.
So 10 is our, here 10 is our maximum length.
Yes.
Okay.
But let's say you will make it till 10 only, but minimum you need to mention this is a way to tell minimum. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. For the email, what else we can do? This both are enough for the email. Required an email address.
Yes. Required is checking that, and required is work when you're not entering anything. And the email address is working when you are just it's required for validation, format validation. Am I right? So that's why it's working. In this manner, you can apply multiple, you can say this, annotation or validation on a single things.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now you need to try with the other options so that you can arrange as well. Range you need to try. Am I right? Like this range, age,
Okay.
and understand this very well, how it's working. And you need to try with the regex as well.
Okay. So range is only valid for the integer field.
Yes, because in a range you need to define starting point and ending.
Ending point. Okay. If I range for the, if I enter the 12,
Type 60 there.
60.
61, it will not in a range.
61.
Okay.
Hmm.
Try other options as well, like regex. Try regex and create a new, you can say, introduce new property password for
Password.
student.
Okay.
And apply, you can,
Add.
yes, regular expression is there.
For regular expression.
You can give a range in a decimal or this float number as well, like 0 to 999.99. You understand my point?
Okay. For adding regex, what we need to mention?
Regular expression is there.
Like this, and after that the curly braces.
Yes, syntax is same for all this validation annotation. Okay, and proper attributes are different, Madhuri, but things are same.
So for the password,
You need error message is there always. You need to mention that error message, and here you need to tell them what is the regex, which regex you want to apply. Okay, you can check in a theory part. In a theory part, they mention that.
expression.
So first your regex expression at the rate, and you need to mention this regex.
Here we need to put that there, right?
Yes, as a first parameter. It should be not a curly brace. It should be a circular bracket, Mathuri. Yes, at the rate.
At the rate.
Yes, at the rate, and in a double quote start, you need to mention your regex. Okay.
Okay, the pattern.
Yes, pattern, which you want to validate. Okay, you can use some password regex as per from internet. You can take that from internet. That's not an issue. Okay. Regex for alphanumeric special character errors.
Password validation.
You need to copy the regex expression only. That
The
pattern.
the whole thing I need to copy.
Yes.
Okay, in Java.
Okay, let me send one to you. Let me send for this. Third number was in okay. So try to use whatever you have with you. Otherwise, if you require, I can send to you.
So at least 8 character, one uppercase, one lowercase letter, one number, one special character. Okay. I copied this from the internet.
Okay, just try to change and apply that and try to validate.
In create, we need to add the password field. Password.
You need to restart, stop and restart your application again.
Password. First I commit and password field is required. Then display character, one uppercase, one lowercase letter, one number and special uppercase. Okay. So we can make this like we need to make this according to our requirement. This
Yes,
reject.
yes. These are available on internet.
Okay.
You can take it from internet and validate.
There should be some standard like these are the standard format.
Yes, rejects is have their own way to write and have an own rule to write this letter. Am I right?
Okay.
So what is the starting point? What is the you can say ending there? So they have their own
The function for the
things.
password as per our policies.
Yes,
Hmm.
to write a regex, you have a predefined structure.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
And apart from that, means whatever this how it will understand means what message you need to display there. So there is a you can say ASP validation far. ASP validation far is a attribute of your this spam. With the help of that, you are able to display this message and define that. Am I right?
Yes.
For a particular field. This is also important, and somewhere when you require you need to display the thing based on a model only, not for a specific field, then you can define for there's another property which hope you guys check that, which is for model only. And mode ASP validation. Okay, so validation message is validation ASP validation summary. Okay, is applicable for your this model only. You understand my point? So these properties also matter. If you want to try, you can try with this. But for that, you require a you can say different thing. And apart from that, other validation option are also available with us. Like data type is also there. Okay, where you mention the data type means if user is entering, then we make sure that he will take care of this data type as well. You understand my point? So the way to apply the things is same. So let me share this code with you, Madhuri, so that you can try that.
Okay.
And I will encourage you guys, just not stick with the only things, whatever we have in our this first, but definitely first you need to do whatever available in your practical and this theory part. Am I right?
Hmm.
Apart from that, there are a lot of things are there which you can refer from my internet. That's not an issue for me.
Okay.
Okay. I shared something with you on chat. You can check that. So you can apply this one more property there per date in chat. Yes, you can
Data
apply
type.
this. Yes, means we are increasing one more field here.
Okay. Release date.
Yes, it will take care of the
Okay.
date type. If you will try to enter something else, it will not allow you to do that, and it will give you a warning or error.
Data type dot date. Okay, we can apply this for the age also. Like if we mention the data type int for the age, so we cannot write the characters.
Yes.
Okay, so can may I try at age also?
Hold on. Do one thing first. You will observe the difference on a this range. It's because it's containing a number only. Am I right? And first go with
Hmm.
this and observe that with a range only, are you able to enter your numeric or this alpha
Character.
value or not?
Hmm.
Yeah, alpha value
Okay.
or not?
Okay.
First you observe that. Am I right?
Okay. Hmm. So I'm
Otherwise, yes.
add this release in my view
On,
also. Hmm.
yes.
Release date. Hmm. With the age.
Hope Ajay, you are enjoying this class and you are learning.
Yes.
And there is no difference between Madhuri and me. Am I right?
No, sir.
Am I right? As per
Lot
my
of difference.
as per my understanding, Madhuri is doing very well. Am I right, Ajay?
Yeah.
Because
But this is beneficial.
she
So
is
I,
attempting first time.
yeah.
Yes. Gradually, if you will follow this, what do you think, guys? It's beneficial for you or not, Madhuri?
It's
Yes, sir.
beneficial.
Sir, we mention in the age input SP for age and we mention the type number. Uh,
Sorry.
in the age, we write as an input ASP for the age and type number we mention in the age. So, what it do? Like, what is the use of this type number?
It will means allow in this number. It will take an input as a number only. Like you can mention password, email as well at the place of numbers. Means it will say, hey, you can enter only number value here.
Hmm.
Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Function for release date. Release date. Its type. Okay. we get the calendar here, so it is always in the date format only. Cannot put manual date over here, right?
Yes, if that's a thing, then it's a beauty. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm. So we get the calendar from here.
You
From
can remove and try.
Okay.
Did you understand my point?
Yes.
Again, in this manner, I think so. You guys will become engineer. Am I right?
Yes, right.
It is.
This is a beauty with a code.
When we try, then only we will understand.
Yes, and this is a playground for you. Am I right?
Right.
You can try lot
Yes,
of things
that
here.
I tried, and from login page, I went to the success page.
Yeah.
Then only I slept.
16.
And you also learn this layout because you tried.
Yes.
We
You
enter the
tried.
value. The field is incomplete or has an invalid date.
Time also you have to pass. Also.
Okay. So, 12 and seconds, 1 minute, seconds. 15. Hmm. These I do the manually, and when I select, okay. Hmm. So what it gave? What is this? Is 12:31? Acha timing. Yes. Okay. Hmm. I need to check if I give this. So difference between the only time. If I remove this, then also the calendar is present. But after remove before I get the timing slot is here. So currently I don't have.
Go to your view, please. Go to your view.
Hmm.
Go to your view. It's a
View,
model. Go to your
view. Mhm. Hmm.
and this release date. Okay. And at the place of ASP far,
Hmm.
could you change this to, or you can say this name? Name.
For
Yes.
the input.
Yes, input for name. Name. No. ASP at the place of ASP far, you name there.
Okay.
And then you will observe.
Hmm. Right?
Okay. Yes, go there, please.
Hmm.
What you understand? What you understood from this change? Why earlier is showing date one, now is showing normal?
Because in model, we mention the date time over here. So
Yeah.
in view, it is binded to that particular type, date time.
Yes. The ASP core framework is doing this for you. Am I right?
Mm.
When you take a charge in your hand, then it stopped working. Am I right? You understand my point? So this is
Mhm.
the form I collection on this
Mhm. Mhm.
form collection, I form collection. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So you got the things.
Mm. Mm. And sir, this is our server side validation.
Yes, this is server side validation because we are validating because right now we have a server only which is
Mm.
responsible for rendering your UI, rendering your this data, everything we are doing on a server side. Am I right? When we will learn this, when we will do the front end differently, then we will learn that how you can
Client
apply
side.
this. Yes, front end side.
Okay. So for the client side, we need to write the validation. For example, these are the inbuilt, like display, data type.
Yes, so these are the annotation. Annotations are nothing, guys. It's a you can say kind of syntax with the help of that compiler can understand, apply the things on your behalf under the hood. You understand my point?
Mm-hmm. And when we need to add our own, so for that we need to create class and write the validations.
Yes, yes, yes.
So for the client side, we are doing for the particular purpose or
Definitely.
why?
Definitely. There you will use, let's say you are writing your front end in a React or Angular. Am I right?
Mm.
And your back end is a totally different and your front end is totally different. It's not, you can say, both in a same code base. You have a different code base. Then you need to apply validation on both the places. You understand my point? And in that, if you learn, if you are doing this Angular, then you need to apply the validation in a Angular way.
Okay. So in like in our project, we cannot add client side.
Because it's a framework, it's giving everything to you. Am I right? With the help of annotation. Client side is nothing, whatever you are able to see this on a UI, it's a client side only.
Right.
Okay. So, and whenever you are checking this model state is a valid or not.
In our controller.
Yes, you are saying, hey, if client side everything is okay, then you need to perform this action. Am I right? Sense or not? Let's say
Hmm.
I am saying if something is everything is valid, then you move ahead and do the operation, perform some post operation. Am I right?
Hmm.
Later on means if everything goes fine, then we will you can say move ahead. Am I right? To make a insert data into our database or make a third party API call. You understand my point?
Okay. But in our view, we are checking it on a only on a submit button, post button. So here we are checking our validations. So we
It's a
can
front end side. It's a front
okay.
end side only.
And so this is called we can call it the server side.
Yes, because our means our code is written in a, you can say, this CSHTML. It's not a purely this. Am I right?
Where we will write the code to insert the data to database. In post,
Hmm.
can you go to code once?
Hmm.
In model state.isValidate, we will write, right, Deepak sir?
Yes, this is a, you can say,
If
right now, don't
if
be confused, guys.
Hmm.
If you have a different front end is different, totally different code base, and you have a back end is a totally different
hmm,
front end is a totally different code base. Then
hmm,
you can think of a front end, and but here means we are our framework is capable to do same thing
hmm,
on a server side only. If data is changed, then you are able to see more data there on a
right.
dynamically way.
Hmm,
Okay. That's why I'm saying don't be confused there.
right.
Okay.
Okay, Madhuri?
Okay, I still not get it. I have the like one question. Like if we are validating data over here itself by using the data annotation, then why we are checking like model state is our client side? Like I'm.
There we are checking
Hmm.
all the data is validated or not,
Hmm.
and only go inside.
Then again we are checking the model state is here. Um,
So,
Yeah, I mean,
yeah.
if you do that, it will directly go.
Okay, just do one thing. Take this as
No,
an assignment, and try to do this.
hmm.
Without this, block
Hmm.
this code, block
Hmm.
uh,
this,
Hmm.
comment this
Hmm.
if block, and
Hmm.
try this, and means and
just
observe
do
the
that
result.
exclamatory mark
Hmm. Hmm.
and try.
Okay.
Because I need to hard stop at 7:30. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. I'll check from my side.
Hmm.
Okay, I will really thanks, Madhuri. You
Okay, sir.
will done great job,
Yes.
and we will meet